Hi, this is Asad Shah from Digimax and welcome to the very first lecture of my digital marketing course. So, brief introduction about me. I am a business graduate. I did my MBA in 2012 and then did my Google certification in 2016 or 17, and I have been linked with a multinational company as a business consultant. Apart from that, I have done different freelancing work for different prestigious companies. So I hope this course is going to benefit you as well, and it is basically based upon a very good course that I did myself, and it consists of the following 6 steps. The first one is the base setting, in which we discuss about definitions of traditional and digital marketing and how it is being used in the modern world. Then I will make sure to give you enough theory so that you can think like a digital marketer. Then later on in the third step, we'll discuss about the different digital projects that we can get from freelancing markets. So in projects, we will be discussing about different platforms of freelancing and what type of digital marketing jobs are out there. So then moving on, we'll discuss about different softwares and platforms. So we're going to discuss about platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc., and how are these platforms being used for marketing or displaying ads. Now moving on, that after we've discussed about the different software skills and platforms in digital display advertisement, we are going to discuss about Google search ads. And moving on, we are going to discuss about blogs and how they are helpful in creating leads and marketing your product or service. And in the end, after we have done all of this, we are going to discuss in detail about the advanced skills that you can use. And in the advanced skills of digital marketing, we are going to discuss about e-commerce, commerce store, and marketing plans, native advertisement, email marketing, and data analytics. So I hope you're going to enjoy this journey of the digital marketing course that I'm about to begin with you. And without further ado, we'll start with the next lecture and we'll dive deep into base settings. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next lecture. Thank you.